Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to show you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring you more business. Now I'm at your website right now, and I'm going to copy your URL, and I put it into this SEO scanner. I use Rank Daddy, and we're going to look at your heading tags, because your heading tags are what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. Now the tags are made up of your title tag, your metadata tag, and your H1 and H2 tag. Now your title tag is a little too long, and you get marked down on that with Google. And unfortunately, you have no meta description at all. And that's why you're not consistently ranking on page 1 of Google search. You're making good use of your H1 and H2 header tags, but the missing metadata tag is what's holding you back. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 companies on page 1 and I get bids for them. So let's see how you're ranking on Google, how your website's ranking on Google right now. So I use a third-party tracker for this as well. I use SERPtrack. .io. You can get a free 30-day subscription to this, and you can track your keywords. Now I've used Bakersfield Kitchen Remodeler, Bakersfield Remodeling Company, and Bakersfield Remodeling Contractor. Right now you're averaging about 13, which is not bad, but it's on page 2. You're ranking number 1 for Bakersfield Kitchen Remodeler, but as far as Remodeling Company and Remodeling Contractor, you're on page 2 and 3, unfortunately. We can fix your website. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out to you. We can get you ranked on page 1 consistently, get you more business. So if you could use more business, please respond to this email. Thank you so much.